Guys, this is Pulki from the UABN. Welcome to the iOS learning program. This is first time I'm making video, so I'm about to show you that how can you create a simple project in Xcode and run it easily. So let's get started. Yeah, when you just this is the Xcode basically. You will need to select the platform. By default, Xcode shows you plenty of platform like iOS, watchOS, tvOS, macOS, and cross-platform. Today we are gonna see the iOS. So we are going to the iOS and selecting the single view applications. Next is description. Your project should contain name. It should be the organization name. And this is the organization identifier. This is very important because this will be the direct package of your product. But here this is quite different than the Android and the other platform. Here you can specify bundle identifier in reverse order. Just observe and learn. Man, let's say the product name is hello world team. Now we are not selecting any team now. Organization, dummy organization sounds good. No package name. I can say like com.hello world. I can say com dot your range not hello world. Oh, this sounds pretty cool. Let's keep it like this. Or you just doesn't need to mention here because by default it takes the thing. So let's name it like that. Sounds pretty good. And then you can select the language Swift or update you see. Today we are gonna see the Swift, and this portion we'll discussing later on stages. Select the bar. I'm selecting the desktop for this. Once you get, you'll be able to see this. This is the configuration of your project. Like you can see the package name is here, version build number. This is different thing. We'll discuss this later. This shows the orientation, like app should be available for portrait, landscape. Let me enable this too. And these are the different things we'll be discussing in next, or you can say upcoming sessions. Now let's me explain a bit of this is the app delegate. Once your core application is run, this is the first function get called, and this is the life cycle of that. We'll have a look into deep later on. This is the main view controller. View controller means the main class which is about to be executed, and this is the file where we are gonna work. As I told you, view controller is the class which is gonna run. So let's just add something here. Label. It's pretty cool. You can drag drop and add things here. Let's say the world code. This is done. Let me select the iPhone X and run it. It should run in quite few seconds. Here, the build successful means there is no error in our code. Actually, we have not coded anything right now. Still, it's good for us. Look, here is the simulator. Come on, 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 come on. Cool, guys. You can see the hello world. Okay, so it was our first session. Hope you have enjoyed a lot. Do not forget to subscribe, likes, and share. See you again. I'll be here soon with another videos. Have a good day. Thank you guys for your all time.